Tungsram FiaLUX backlit panel range is produced in Hungary, which allows shorter lead time and more flexibility for our customers. This range is offering superior features with great light quality in two different sizes. You can install the product in schools, offices, public buildings on a standard T-grid ceiling system. You can mount it on a surface or suspend it from the ceiling. The product's long service life of over 54,000 hours at LATB 10 lumen maintenance level will guarantee your return on investments. The efficiency of the luminaires goes up to 130 lumen per watt with several lumen packages delivered by high-quality Lumiled chips. Branded static and dolly drivers ensure a flicker-free, high-quality lighting experience. The fixture is made with opal prismatic diffuser and it produces uniform, evenly distributed, low-glare lighting with UGR level less than 19. The luminaires boast all the benefits of backlit panels with an installation depth of less than 3 centimeters. FiaLUX panels are made to last with a robust, durable structure wrapped in a sleek, minimal design.